Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video I'm making for you my take on Harlem's chopped cheese sandwich, or the Cheeseburger Sub. Alright, so stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Alright, so I was hearing a lot about this sandwich called the chopped cheese in Harlem. So I went down to Harlem on First Ave, the Blue Sky Bodega, and it's formerly Hajji's, and supposedly this is where the chopped cheese was invented. Some people say the Bronx, but most people say Harlem. So I went down there, tried it out. I loved it. Decided to make a video for it, and I'm doing it on my Blackstone Griddle. Alright, so here's all the ingredients that I'm using. You're going to need 2 burger patties, American cheese, shredded lettuce, sliced tomatoes, diced onions, sliced pickles, a sub roll, Goya Sazon or seasoning salt, or the seasoning salt of your choice, cooking oil or spray. I use bacon, the bacon grease, to keep my meat from sticking. So as you can see right here, I'm cooking my bacon. My bacon's all cooked, so now I'm going down with my burgers. Now I'm going down with my onions, and I'm gonna cook the onions, and I'm gonna chop up the ground beef, the burger meat, and get that all nice and cooked. Alright, so here I'm adding my Goya Sazon. I'm hearing that's the classic way of doing it, that they added Sazon to it, but you can add any seasoning that you want. I'm also adding a little bit of my Killer Hogs barbecue rub. So basically all you want to do is get your ground beef cooked, fully cooked, and then I'm going to blend it with the onions. So right here I'm getting my sub roll, just cutting it down the middle so I can open it up. So now that my meat and onions is fully cooked, I'm adding the cheese. Here I'm toasting my sub roll. And now I'm going to mix the cheese in with the meat and get the cheese nice and melted and blended throughout the meat. Alright. Also, I just want to thank all the subscribers, everybody that supported this channel, that got me to 1,000 subs. Now I'm fighting to get to 2,000 subs. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. You get notified when I upload new videos, and I definitely would appreciate your support. On this channel you're going to continue to get different recipes that I'm going to try to simplify, and just high-end recipes. Sometimes it's going to be everyday food, but it's just going to be a simplified recipe that whether it's filet mignon or, as you can see, the chopped cheese, I'm going to definitely try to make the recipe as simple as possible to follow. So I appreciate your support. Help me get to those 2,000 subscribers. So this is my choice. I put mayonnaise on it. You don't have to. I know a lot of people do ketchup and mustard or ketchup and mayonnaise, but I just chose just to do mayonnaise. I'm putting lettuce and tomato on there. And I'm also going to put some pickles. So here you go, the chopped cheese, Harlem style, or my version actually. I added bacon to it. I put so much meat in it, I really couldn't get it to fold, so I kind of left it as is, but I am going to cut it in half. But once again, I just want to thank you for coming to this channel, for checking out this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also give a thumbs up. You can also check me out on social media, on Instagram at Cooking and Grilling with Carl, Facebook at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Also, I have a page called Chef Carl Robinson Sr. And you can also check me out at TikTok at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. On that note, I say God bless. Catch you on the next video. Peace.